Hello dolls, it is she and welcome back to my channel. Today we have partnered with none other than Better Length Hair, and they have sent me this gorgeous, this gorgeous Kinky Coarse Clip-Ins. I'm super excited for this video because this hair turned out, way better than I could have ever dreamed. Thank you to Better Length Hair for reaching out to me and sending me this hair to review. In this video, I'm going to show you how I install these clip-ins. I'm going to show you a few styles I like to do with my straight clip-ins. Please continue to like and subscribe. We are creeping up on 10,000 subscribers, and once I get to 10,000 subscribers, I got a little giveaway that I'm going to do for you guys. So please make sure that you are subscribed. Please make sure you hit the little bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. All right, y'all, so let's get right into unboxing. So the infamous Better Length Hair bag. I absolutely love the way that their hair comes packaged. This is my first time ever receiving a package from them, but I've seen what they look like, and I like the little pink tie, and I love the little silk bag. So let's open this guy up and see what goodies we have inside. So when you open it up, there is a information card about Better Length Hair, and I'm sure the products that they carry. Oh, it's how to care for your extensions. It's great, how to care for, how to install, and of course it has their handles on the front of the card. There's also just a receipt. This is the Kinky Coarse Clip-In Set, as I mentioned before. And then you have the actual clip-ins. Oh, these are actually really long. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not mad. Okay, so from what I heard, only one pack will do your entire head. They come with 10 clip-ins per clip-in set, opposed to other companies who usually do about 7. I find that 7 is the standard clip-ins for clip-in set. So let's pull this. Oh my gosh, she's thick, honey. She is thick. She is long, she is bouncy. I'm already absolutely loving it, and I haven't even gotten into it. Okay. So this is what the bundle looks like. It comes pretty protected. It's super soft. There is like a smell of, but nothing crazy. Of course, I just pulled this right out of the pack. I haven't washed it or co-washed it or anything. I'm trying to decide whether I want to co-wash it first, but I don't think so, because I don't want to have to go through the process of drying it and straightening it, because I feel like this is going to kind of curl up a little bit if I do put water on it. So for the purpose of this video, I am not going to co-wash it, but I think co-washing it will probably get rid of some of the artificial hair smell. So let's just kind of cut this open and get right into it. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna cut these 3 little gold ties off of here, and then open this bad boy up. There's a slight bend in the hair that I'm gonna have to straighten out, as you can see here. It's just because the hair is so long. The way that it came was in the plastic and then folded in half. Just, y'all, look at all this hair. Look at all this hair. I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clip in, and right off the bat, I really like the, I'm gonna try to zoom in on this so if you can see the seam of the clip-in. It's not just your regular track. See if it'll zoom in. It's not just your regular track. It actually has like a little lace band here, and there is plenty of clips on here, and they seem very secure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches on each of the clip-ins. You can see the texture of the hair as I zoom in. It's actually really pretty. It's super soft. So okay, so you have a 5 clip-in here. Let's see what else we got. 2 5 clips, which is unreal. And then you have a 4 clip-in that's just as long. These are alright. I can already tell these are going to be magic. Another 4 clips. So we have 2 5s, 2 4s, a 3, another 3, 2 2s, 4 2s, and 4 2 clip-in. So there are no 1s, which is great, because I find that little 1 clip-in, they're kind of useless. I prefer the longer 2 clip-ins. So that is a total of 10 whole pieces. So we're about to get right into it. We ain't waste no time. First of all, I still got my shades on my head. I just ran in the house from outside to record this video. So I am natural. I actually just did the big chop again for the 4th time about 6 months ago, and I went ahead and just kind of blew out and did a 1 pass through press on my hair. If you guys want a tutorial on how I straighten my natural, y'all just let me know. I literally just kind of blow dry it and then just do a 1 pass with the flat iron, just because I'm trying to put too much heat on it, and make sure you use heat protectant. But we're about to get right into the install of these clip-ins. I'm going to show you a few hairstyles that I like to do with my clip-ins, so stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So starting from the back, I'm just going to go ahead and section off a small piece, and I'm going to start with the 1 2-clip clip-in in the back, and I'm going to save the other 3 from the front. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this away. I just did a small section there, and I'm going to take one of the 2 clips, and the clips do sound really sturdy. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that there, pop that there. Oh yes, that was a good snap, honey. You can see that it is in there nice and snug. All right, so we have put in all of the extensions, and baby, they were not playing when they said 1 bundle would do your entire hair. Look how thick and beautiful this is. So we haven't even blended it yet, but I did want to show you just how it looks in the back and just how thick it is and the length. It's super long. I got the 20-inch, and the texture is so perfect for my natural girls. So let's work on A, blending the hair, and B, getting that dent out of it. But look how bouncy, fluffy, and thick it is. I mean, she is a whole vibe, honey. Okay, so first things first, I got my flat iron here, and I am going to take the extension with my hair and try to blend. Now I will suggest holding the clip-in at the root while you're blending so it does not tug at your hair, and just pull straight down. I'm gonna do the same on this side and take your hair and blend. I am absolutely loving this, and it's not getting all weird with the flat iron. The flat iron is running right through. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. It just gets even more gorgeous once you put a little heat on it. I love the fullness. I mean, this hair is thick. This hair is not for the weak or the faint at heart, honey. If you like big, thick hair, this is your hair, and the texture is literally perfect. Like, it mimics blown out natural hair like no other. Girl, she is a look. You don't even have to style her. You can literally walk out the house like this. Let me get the rest of these bins out so I can really slay. Now, if you have short hair like I do and you have a problem blending, you see how my hair is just kind of sitting right there. It's not really blending in with the extensions. Go ahead and take you a little bit of holding spray. This is the Organics, the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Elevated Finishing Spray. It has like an all-day hold, but it's still a light hold and it's still moisturizing. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this and spray just right on top of my natural hair a little bit. And then take my comb and rake that over it, and it'll blend the hair right in. And it also catches any flyaways, any additional frizz. I absolutely love that holding spray, and it doesn't give a hard, crunchy hold, and it smells nice. So if you just kind of go over your hair with this, it'll sleek any flyaways. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is and thick. And then lastly, hit it with your flat iron and you are done. So I'm going to zoom out. I mean, you can wear it like this. I'm going to show you guys a few styles that I like to do, but this is just kind of straight out the pack, no co-washing. I ran the flat iron across it a couple times, and this is it, honey. I'm going to zoom out so you can catch the length and the whole vibe, because honey, it is a vibe. So this is the fullness of the hair. It comes right at the boobs. I'm going to do a quick spin so you can see exactly what it looks like in the back. Completely full, completely luscious. I mean, look at it. Okay, so as far as styling, I mean, this is a style in itself, let's be honest. You can just wear it down like this. I didn't really do anything other than just kind of ran the flat iron through it just to get that bend out of it. But one thing that I like to do just to kind of jazz up this kind of plain, boring down look is to take some colored bobbing pins. These are bronze, gold or silver will do. I'm going to take about 4 of them, and I'm just going to insert them here on this side, because bobbing pins are all the rave right now. I don't know who made this a thing. Probably Rihanna. She make everything else a thing. I'm just going to put a couple of these. Pull that to one side, and this is look number 1. For look number 2, I'm just going to put a couple of twists in the front of the hair. So I want to start right here in the very front. Grab a piece of hair about this big, split it in half, and you just want to do sort of a flat twist, picking up hair as you go along, but keeping it loose. You don't want it to be too tight. You just want a nice soft twist. And then once you get it about right here, you want to stop pulling it towards the head and just do a quick little rope twist down the rest of the hair. You want to take this and you want to place it right there, and you want to secure that with a bobbing pin. This is a great summer style, vacation style, a little boho chic little twist to the hair. So I want to take that and secure that just with a bobbing pin there in the back. And then this side, I think I'm actually just going to leave this side be. You just want to go ahead, girl, slick your edges, comb everything out, make sure you catch all of those flyaways. And this is look number 2. Super cute, super simple. All you need is just a nice twist, and if you want to, you can make a little braid here that will be just as cute. And for look number 3, I want to take all this hair and put it into an updo that's kind of reminiscent of a wedding. It is wedding season, and I just kind of want to do like a quick little cute little wedding do. So I'm going to take this side, and it's super simple. It's just a couple of rolls and you'll have a beautiful updo. And I'm just going to take this and I'm rolling it back and going around, rolling it back and going around, rolling it back and going around, up until I get about right here. See how I'm kind of pushing it back into itself to kind of loosen it up, so you have a nice little roll there. I'm going to take a bobbing pin and I'm going to go ahead and secure that. And then here I'm going to take this front section. I'm going to take a piece about this big. I'm going to roll it under and then start pressing it in like so. So rolling it under, pressing it in like so. You want to take the ends and you want to go ahead and twist those and place it in the inside of the cone that this little roll created. Right there. You want to take a bobbing pin and secure that. You might need a couple to secure this in place. Do you guys see where I'm trying to go with this? It's just a couple rolls and tucks and bobby pins. That's all you need. Alright. Now, if you want, you can leave this like this, where you have a little roll at the top, a little roll in the back, and then you have it down here in the front. Or you can take this, I'm going to just kind of roll the bottom up softly You want to keep this loose, and then you want to bring this, as you can see, it's creating a little bun here on the side. Beautiful. It's exactly what we want. And this is great for any bride or bridesmaid. You want to take this and get this exactly where you tuck the roll from the other side, and you want to pin that in place. And now you have a beautiful wedding updo. So that is it, you guys. Thank you again to Better Length Hair for partnering with me on this video. They sent me a lovely handwritten thank you card, and it's much appreciated. Things like that never goes unnoticed. So please, again, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Again, at 10,000 subscribers, we are doing a giveaway. I'm probably gonna hook somebody up with some hair. Who knows? It could be this hair. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload, and I will see you dolls in my next video.